610 Honey Lane. You can see they haven't installed the roof yet. A lot of construction still being done on this one. It looks like they did the painting on this one, but obviously you're getting to choose the flooring. They already installed the new countertops and backsplash. Pantry. Garage is still being worked on, obviously. Here's the first bedroom. Bathroom with the laundry room inside. Second bedroom. And the master. This looks like it has the similar setup as Madison Ave. Main difference is this one's a little farther from post. But this one is also in a cul-de-sac.